Hi guys, this is Joberi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are exploring the Bangalore's aquarium and its serene koi fish pond, which is located near the Kaban Park. The real highlight of for many is the tranquil koi pond just outside the aquarium. When you visit, look at these beautiful koi fish gliding gracefully through the water. Their bright colors and calming movement have made koi ponds a symbol of peace and harmony in many cultures. Inside, you'll find a variety of freshwater and tropical fish like vibrant angelfish, catfish, and exotic species that captivate visitors of all ages. Each tank offers a glimpse into the colorful underwater world right here in the city. Set against the backdrop of Kaban Park's greenery, the koi pond is a perfect spot to relax and soak in the tranquility. Whether you are here with friends, family, or on solo visit, the pond offers peaceful break from the bustling city just outside the park's gate. So the next time you are in Bangalore, take a detour to come into Kaban Park, exploring the aquarium and unwind by the koi pond. It's a little slice of aquatic bliss right in the center of the garden city. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Catch up in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.